Hi guys, so tonight at my TikTok stream I made all these bracelets. I'm so productive today. I made this iridescent clear bluish shimmer green bracelet. This is so pretty and very iridescent. This is a bamboo bead. These are glass beads and they're clear, super comfortable to wear, very pretty. And this one is a cat's paw bracelet. Of course, I have to go with a cat's paw, right? And this is pink blue with shimmer. This black cat's paw bead is plastic. The rest are glass beads. And then I did this red bead with this butterfly dangle and red with gold shimmer bead. Oh, it's so pretty. It's a little fancy, but not too bad. This is pretty. And I did this. Oh my god, I love this one. This is the purple gemstone with glass bead and gold accessory. This is so pretty. I like this one. I might have to make other colors with these as well. I'm still doing more springstone. This is a bamboo with a black bead. Super elegant and simple. I think it's very nice. And the bamboo upgrade version with black shimmer bead and a butterfly. And this one is very pretty as well. They're all elastic. This is all glass beads. And this one is white, clear, and the black with star, moon, and star. I think this one's very pretty as well. It wears like this. Very pretty. Which one is your favorite? And I'll be streaming again tonight on my TikTok, and I'll be making tutorial videos on these bracelets. Please tell me what you think.